All right, welcome to Agent Tips Today. We are diving into the story the entire tech world has been buzzing about. This isn't just an update, it's an announcement that completely redraws the map for artificial intelligence. This is a true game changer. You know, for months it's been all whispers, all speculation, all hype. Well, guess what? The wait is officially over. But here's the real kicker. The biggest news isn't just the tech itself. It's about who gets their hands on it. Because this time, a flagship model this powerful is available to literally everyone right out of the gate from day one. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. OpenAI just dropped the bomb. GPT-5, their new flagship AI, is officially launched. And believe me, the landscape has already shifted. So let's mark the calendar. Today, August 7th, 2025. GPT-5 is no longer a rumor. It is a reality. After a big live-streamed announcement, OpenAI flipped the switch across all their platforms. This is what people are already calling the next major era of AI. And when they say everyone, they mean it. The rollout is huge. It's for all ChatGPT users, whether you're on the free plan or a paid one. And for you developers, you get full API access right away. But this isn't just one model. Think of it like a family. You've got Pro for the heavy-duty tasks, and Mini and Nano for things that need to be fast and efficient. And then there's this really interesting one, GPT-5 Thinking. OpenAI is being a little cagey about it, but it sounds like it's built for some seriously complex thinking. So what actually makes GPT-5 so different? Why all the fuss? Well, the answer is under the hood. We're looking at a totally new architecture that makes this a fundamentally smarter kind of AI. Instead of just one giant monolithic engine, think of GPT-5 more like an incredibly smart traffic cop for your questions. It's this unified system that instantly looks at what you're asking and sends it to the perfect specialized model for that specific job. So, whether you need a quick fact or a deep, thoughtful analysis, it just knows where to send it. And I love how OpenAI's Sam Altman described it. He said, it's like having a team of PhD experts at your fingertips. That's the perfect way to put it. It's not just one brain. It's like a whole panel of specialists, a data whiz, a creative genius, a sharp analyst, and GPT-5 is the one managing the whole team for you. But honestly, this might be the most important upgrade of all: reliability. For years, the biggest issue with AI has been, hallucinations. That's when the model just confidently makes stuff up. Well, with GPT-5, that problem has been tackled head on. As you can see, the error rate is just a fraction of what it used to be. And this isn't just some vague marketing promise. They put a number on it. On a brand new safety benchmark called HealthBench, GPT-5's hallucination rate was just 1.6%. I mean, think about that. We are finally getting to a level of reliability where you can start to actually trust these systems for important stuff. We've established it's a smarter, more reliable AI. But the big question is, where are you going to use it? Well, the answer is pretty much everywhere you look. Let's see how GPT-5 is showing up as your new AI co-pilot. The rollout is really happening on two major fronts. So for all your developers, GitHub Copilot is getting a massive injection of GPT-5. We're talking way better code generation and even some new agentic skills, where it can handle complex tasks on its own. And then for, the rest of us, Microsoft is weaving GPT-5 right into its Copilot for free. It'll be in Windows, in Bing, in Outlook, basically all across Microsoft 365. Okay, so let's take a step back. When you put all these pieces together, the new tech, the broad access, the integrations, what does it all really mean for you? Let's zoom out and look at the big picture. So here's the ultimate cheat sheet. As of today, a whole new family of AI is out there for everyone. The huge breakthroughs are that brilliant internal system that sends your tasks to the right place, and, crucially, a massive drop in factual errors. The bottom line, you now have a far more powerful and trustworthy AI that's already getting baked into the tools you probably use every single day, from Microsoft Office to Windows itself. And all of this really just brings us to one simple but really exciting question. With an AI this powerful, this accessible, and now built right into your daily workflow, what are you going to create first? That's a wrap on today's GPT-5 breakdown. But this is just the beginning of what's possible with AI in 2025. If you're hungry for more cutting-edge AI news like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss when the next game-changing announcement drops. Trust me, the AI world moves fast and you don't want to be left behind. And here's what's coming up next on Agent Tips. We're diving deep into the open source alternatives to GPT-5, plus I'll show you exactly how to integrate these new AI models into your business workflows. Whether you're a developer looking to leverage the new APIs or an entrepreneur wanting to build the next AI-powered business, I've got you covered. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's the first project you're planning to tackle with GPT-5? Are you thinking coding automation, content creation, or maybe something completely different? I read every single comment, and your ideas often inspire my next videos.